Hey guys, welcome back to Skills Softed. Today I'm going to show you how you can build an Excel dashboard with an upload feature in ChatGPT, which means that you can upload your Excel sheet into your dashboard and it will create charts for you. Now, as you can see, I have my example sales data right here. As you can see, we have the order ID, the product, quantity, price, total sales date, customer, region, and even payment method, all right? So with these data right here, now what you want to do is go into ChatGPT and upload your data by clicking onto add photos and files right here. This is my sales data right here. I'm going to click open. And now I want you to paste this prompt, which is available in the description. Suggest ideas for you can just put my dashboard visualization. This is my data. And here you can put in your data. In this case, mine is a sales data. So this is my sales data. Suggest me data visualization metrics that would best fit to create an interactive dashboard. Also, explain why. Now, hit enter. As you can see, ChatGPT is analyzing it. And there you go. Based on your sales data, here are dashboard visualization ideas along with metrics and the reason they would add value to an interactive dashboard. Right now, you can see ChatGPT provided some of the best examples. Sales overview, time series trend. You also have the matrix right here. And why? Because it tracks how sales are performing over time. You can spot seasonal trends, spikes or dips, top selling products, sales by region, customer segmentation, payment method distribution, sales volume revenue, multi-sales breakdown, average order value. These are 8 examples that ChatGPT provided. Awesome. So what we will do now is you go back into the description and paste this prompt. Now I want you to create an interactive dashboard using HTML and JavaScript. Use the latest version of Plotly.js CDN and include an upload feature so that I can upload the JSON file. You should generate the dashboard based on the uploaded data. Note, I need to upload the data from my local computer and it should create the dashboard based on that data. All right, with that, we hit enter and there you go. ChatGPT will do its job, and there is also a preview option here. That is a very cool new feature that we can use. Awesome. Now ChatGPT is done. We can click preview, allow network access, click allow, and this is your interactive sales dashboard. Okay, so you need to choose a file. For now, I don't have a JSON file. Now, if you try to put in your CSV file, you cannot preview your code because we only ask ChatGPT to allow JSON file. Now, what you want to do is convert your CSV file into JSON file. You can also ask ChatGPT to do this. And the reason why we choose JSON is because JSON provides the best dashboard visual. So you can ask ChatGPT to convert my CSV file to JSON. Awesome. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT have done that. Download your sales data. Now going back to my code right here. Now you can open Canvas, click preview once more and try this once again. Choose file, my sales data.json, and there you go. Look at that. Sales over time. You have total sales, even the date itself. This beautiful chart right here. Awesome. Look at that. Now we have top selling products. Go smartphone X, laptop Pro, smartwatch 4. That's so cool. Look at that. Sales by region, the same bar chart. Look at that. We got Illinois, Texas, New York, California. They even show the states while hovering your mouse over it. That is so cool. And you also have the pie chart. Look at that. Payment method distribution. PayPal, credit card, debit card. Now you get the idea. What's cool is that ChatGPT even provide download plot as PNG. So you can download the chart itself. That is so cool. Okay, awesome. So now we got the picture, we got the idea. Now, once again, I want you to go back into the description and paste this prompt right here. Can you change the dashboard design to a modern design? What's great about ChatGPT is also that you can customize your own design, but it will take a lot of trial and error. So in this case, all I did was just to ask ChatGPT to create a modern design for me. Nothing more, nothing less. So last but not least, can you also finalize this as a downloadable HTML file with local storage? Now, why with local storage? Therefore, you can save it as a HTML file. So hit enter. Now let ChatGPT do its job. It is so cool. You can see lifetime designed by ChatGPT. Look at that. That is so cool. Now keep in mind, you can also ask for customizable color, whether you like it blue or dark mode. Totally your choice. Now once it's done, you can just hit download dashboard.html. Wait, actually file is not found. Oh, interesting. Okay, wait. Let me just go back. How about I try downloading it right here? Download. Awesome. There you go. Might as well go back to the canvas and download. So keep in mind, if this does not work, just go back to the canvas right here. Cool. Now we have our dashboard. Now double click and open it. All right. Amazing. Look at that. We got the emoji and the title interactive sales dashboard. And yes, this can be customized also. So please do keep in mind and ask ChatGPT what you really want specifically. So now I'm going to upload my JSON file once again. And there you go. You can see your chart right over here. This time we also have emojis. Look at that calendar emoji right there. Trophy emoji. Wow, even the pie chart has a credit card payment method distribution. Yeah, this is so cool. Now that is how you can create your very own interactive dashboard. What's even cool is that you can upload the file. So now what if I close? Now let's see if I close my dashboard, if this whole chart is saved. Now if I exit my browser, open back the dashboard, and there you go. Look, the chart is still here. Now you don't have to upload the second time. This is a very cool and quick way to really track your data. Instead of just sales, you can try your workout routine. They can give a very nice, beautiful dashboard for you to look at. So that is all from me, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.